Hair Rules fam, this is your favorite texture guru, Dickey. I'm here to show you how to use these products, particularly Kinky Curling Cream. Come on. One of my biggest tips with applying styling products are putting it on sopping wet hair. Any towel drying or drip you do after you get product in the hair. Women with soft, fine, curly or wavy textures or even kinky textures love Kinky Curling Cream because it adds body. It's a very non-greasy formulation of a curl cream. It happens to be a very thick cream that doesn't get greasy or that is not greasy, so it doesn't weigh down your hair.